Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change account on Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's get into it. To start, open your Monopoly Go app. So first, you want to make sure that you have a good internet connection. So now when you open your Monopoly Go, here is the home page. So now just tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. As you can see, here is the menu page. So now just tap on Settings. From Settings, just tap on Connect Account. So now to change account on Monopoly Go, what you're going to do is to choose from any of this. For example, you want to connect your account with your Facebook or with your Google account. So for example, you want to connect your Monopoly Go account with your Facebook account. So what you're going to do is just to tap on this blue button, Play with Friends. It will then automatically change your Monopoly Go account into your Facebook account. And by doing that, you can get free 25 dice rolls. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.